What's up guys, got 5 more unique flashlights. Let's see what I got this time. For the first one, this is a flame light. I have seen before a light bulb that looks like a flame. You can do that with a flashlight, I mean lantern, whatever. Oh cool. Right here you can straight up plug it in to a plug, that's kind of cool. And also you have a solar panel. Kind of cheap solar panel, look at that, it's all sideways and ugly. Hopefully it works. Oh wow, there's actually flashlight in here as well. Pretty bright LED flashlight. What do we do? Flip this over. It's more like a hanging light. Oh, there you go. Whoa, that's bright. And you can turn it on at the same time. Oh wow, you just close it and open it. Okay, there you go. That's what it's going to look like. Does it look like flame? Not so much. I have seen way better. But from far away, if you're not looking, it's still giving off that warm light. Looks like a flame with flash. Let me turn off the light. You see what I'm saying? Kinda look like a flame, but kinda looks like a Christmas tree. Definitely on a cheap end flame flashlight. I think they could do better. This is a work light. Let's open it up. Looks like a glow stick type of lantern. Oh cool, rechargeable. Another wire. I have so many wires now. You know what, when I was buying it, I thought it's going to be all the way around light, and looks like it's not. You see how they advertise it, but still pretty cool. You got right here the light. Again, pretty bright, you can just see. And right here. I wish it was all the way around. Maybe more LEDs on this side, so that way you hold in this thing just like glow stick. But still, pretty unique, I like it. Let's press it again. Dimmer. Oh wow. I don't know, that's kinda illegal. I wouldn't impersonate cops, so that's strange. Next I have here cap light, but I think this is super bright one. Let me see. Okay, that's just the holder. This is the best cap light because it's rotatable, you see? The other one I have put to the test a while back. Whoa, that's so bright, it's insane. These LED lights are so powerful. Ooh, look at that, it's kind of like a night light or black light. Ooh, this is nice, like against the animals. So I have a hat, I'll put it right on the head. Just like that, pretty awesome. And I guess I should put it this way actually, on the head. You can do both way. So that way you can point it down if you want to. So let's turn it on. You see what I'm saying? You can point it this way up. Or if you want to see what you're working on, you point it down. That's pretty unique. Cap light, and as you can see, it is very bright. I can't believe it. I love headset flashlights. Look at this. Comes with a rechargeable one. Whoa, I thought it was huge. Look at this. This is some very giant headlamp. Adjustable, and it's so powerful they had to set up the power bank in the back. Minus plus. Yep. Very cool, I like it. And right here on and off, and to recharge it with this kind of wire. Okay, let's put it on and turn it on. How do you turn it on? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have here hazard light. And what is this? There's on button. Oh, this is cool for even like a bicycle or whatever. That way it shows you the red line and it flashes. In the pure darkness, it's quite nice. Okay, let me put it on. I really like the straps. That's insane. This is definitely a little bit more powerful than this $13 Walmart light. Look at that. That is so bright, you can't even see me. And this one, a little bit lighter light, even dimmer, which just saves batteries. red light, I kind of like that a lot. That way you don't want to wake anybody up. You can turn that red light on. And flashlight, I guess, to flashing so that way people know that you are coming in case. This is the biggest flashlight headlight I ever seen. And one more pop-up USB lantern and looks like a power bank. So let's unbox it. I'm telling you guys, a while back I put this thing to the test. I love it. These things are so annoying to open with the knife. There you go. That's much easier and safer. Okay, press it right here. It's fully charged. There is 2 neodymium magnets. Looks like USB port over here. And let's press it. Whoa, so bright. That's insane. All these flashlights, they make them so bright. The LED flashlights are the best. Check this out. I guess this is rechargeable. You can plug it in into a little solar panel or whatever. Whoa, kinda. Wow, this thing is so bright as well. I can't believe it. Even with the lots of light, you can see it's overexposing everything. Pretty awesome. We'll pop it up. Press it, and that way it will light this one up. Pretty unique. What do you guys think? Oh, it's a little hook.